This video is not a user manual. Please read the instructions before using the device. Perioperative hypothermia is a serious problem for surgical patients around the world and a reason of many negative outcomes. TAHATAKSI has been developing products and solutions for the treatment and prevention of hypothermia for many years. RAMONAK-03 is an effective system for patients warming on operating tables. 24-hour set temperature maintenance. Temperature range from 34 to 39 degrees Celsius. Self-diagnostic system, visual and audible alarms, even heat distribution. Various gel plates with anti-decubitus effect. User settings. Place the heating module on a horizontal surface. Next, place the gel pad on top. The heating module must be completely covered by the gel pad. Connect the heating module to the control unit. Make sure that the power switch is in the off position. Connect the cable to the control unit. Plug in to the electric mains. Turn on the control unit. Mount the control unit on the operating table. Press the power on button. Previously set temperature will appear on the lower display. Set the required temperature and press the start button. The upper display will show the current temperature. When the set temperature is reached, the system will automatically maintain it. If a temperature needs to be changed, press the stop button. Set the required temperature and press start button. Press the stop button as soon as you finished. Switch off the device. Press the power off and disconnect from the electric mains. For the convenience of healthcare professionals, reusable hypoallergenic, waterproof covers are available. More information you can find in the user manual.